Today we will study about the second example of qualitative property. Okay, what is the second example of qualitative property? Is elevation in boiling point. So first is the question is that what is boiling point? Okay, so what is the boiling point? The boiling point of any liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal become to the atmospheric pressure. So this is the boiling point. Okay, the boiling point of liquid is the temperature, the vapor pressure of liquid become equal to the atmospheric pressure. Okay, this is the definition of boiling point. But now the question is, what is elevation in boiling point? Okay, so elevation is boiling point is the subtract of boiling point of solution and the boiling point of pure solution. Okay, we can write that the del Tb minus T naught B is equal to del Tb. So here what is Tb is a boiling point of solution, and what is T naught B is a boiling point of pure solution. Okay, so how can we mathematically derive that? So now we will see the mathematical expression of elevation in boiling point. So mathematical expression is that the del Tb, it means the boiling elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to molality. Okay, directly proportional to molality, and we can also write that this on the place of proportional we can write the boiling point constant. Okay, so this is the derivation, del Tb is equal to kbm. How can you prove that? This is the question will come in the exam, that del Tb is equal to kbm. You can prove that. So there is a derivation for this, and derivation is that the del Tb is proportional to del P. What is del P? Del P is change in vapor pressure. Okay, and del P is also proportional to the xb. What is xb? xb is the mole fraction of solute. Okay, so you can also write that the del Tb is proportional to xb. Okay, and on the place of proportional we can write k. What is the k? K is a constant. Okay, elevation in boiling point constant. So this is the first equation. Okay, now xb, what is xb? Mole fraction of solute. So the value of xb is Nb upon Na. What is Nb? Number of moles of solute. And what is Na? Number of moles of solvent. Okay, now we put the value of xb in equation number 1. So del Tb k Nb upon Na. This is the second equation. Okay, and we know that there is Nb and Na have also their value. So what is the value of Na? Na have value of Wa upon Ma. And what is Wa? The given mass of solute. And what is Ma? Oh, is solid, no? Solid. Molecular mass of solvent. Okay, so you can put the value of both of this. So in equation number 2, del Tb is equal to k Nb Ma upon Wa. This is the third equation. Okay, now we know that the Nb upon Wa is also know that there are a value of m. That means the value of molality. So you can write in the place of Nb upon Wa, you can write the m. So in equation number 3, no? So del Tb is equal to K Ma and small m. Equation number 4. Okay. Now we know that the K and Ma is also constant. K and Ma is also constant, so we can write the place of K and Ma, Kb we can write. So we put the value of Kma in equation number 4. So we can find the value like that, and we can, like that, and we can prove that. Okay. After this, we can find the elevation and boiling point. We have also one derivation, and what the derivation? The derivation is to find the molecular mass of solute by the help of elevation in boiling point. Okay, so I will study after this from there. No, calculation of molecular mass of solute by the help of elevation in boiling point. Okay, so the new derivation start from there, and all the derivations are connected with each other. No? So first you write the derivation of elevation in boiling point. What is derivation? Del Tb is equal to Kb, and this is the derivation of elevation in boiling point. Okay, and you write that the equation number 5th. And what is the value of m? What is the value of molality? The value is Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Now you put the value of m in equation number 5. Kb into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Okay. And what we want to find? Mb. Mb is the molecular mass of solute. Okay. Then you put on there, and you put the del Tb on the place of Mb, and we can find the Mb Kb into Wb into 1000 upon del Tb into W. So this is the complete derivation of elevation in boiling point. Okay, there are two derivations. First, for elevation in boiling point, you proved that del Tb is equal to Kbm, and second derivation is that you calculate the molecular mass by the help of this. It means by the help of elevation in boiling point.